Okay, so now I'm going to introduce the setup of our GPWS system. First, we use a Raspberry Pi 4 as the main controller of the system, and we use a power bank to power up the Raspberry Pi. Next, we also use a LCD to show any relevant info from the system. And we have also used a LED, red LED, and also a buzzer. Besides, we also have two ultrasonic sensors. One is located at the front part of the system, used to measure the distance from the front part of the system to any obstacle in front of it. Another ultrasonic sensor is located at the bottom part of the system. So the second ultrasonic sensor is used to measure the distance between the system to the ground or to any obstacle below the system. Okay, next we have also made a simple landing gear system, and we use a servo motor to power it. So now let's go into the demonstration of the system. So this is the first person view on how the system works. So we can see that there's an LCD here. When the distance from the ground and the obstacle in front is far enough, there won't be any warning and there's nothing shown on the LCD. So as we move nearer to the wall at the front, when it is within the range of 70 cm, the warning will start and the red LED will blink and the LCD will be showing terrains. So if we go nearer to the wall into the range of 50 cm, the warning will start again with the buzz from the buzzer, and the LCD will show whoop whoop, pull up, indicating that the pilot should pull up to avoid the obstacle in front. So we'll move back to the original position. Now we are going to test for the sensor on the bottom of the system. So as we can see, when the distance from the ground or any obstacle under the system is far enough, there won't be any warning shown. So as we move down the system closer to the ground, when the sensor senses that the distance is within 70 cm from the ground, the warning will start by the red LED blinking and the LCD showing too low terrain. So if we go further down until the distance between the system and the ground is 50 cm and below, so the warning system will start and the gear will be automatically deployed. So now the LCD shows that too low gear and the buzzer is buzzing. So if we move the system back to the sufficient height, the warning will stop. Besides, another benefit of our system is that we can always view the distance sensed by the ultrasonic sensor by using our laptop. So here, distance 1 refers to the distance from the system to any obstacle in front of it. The distance 2 indicates the distance of the system to the ground or to any obstacle under the system.